Before buying a green laser sight for your rifle, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, TOUGHSOUL Tactical Flashlight Laser Combo. First up is the TOUGHSOUL Tactical Flashlight Green Laser Sight Combo. This caught my eye with its dual functionality and is priced around $35.31. If you want a solid combination of a flashlight and a green laser sight, this is worth a serious look. This flexibility can be crucial in low-light situations where you need to identify targets or navigate your surroundings. Plus, it boasts a remarkable 1450 lumens of brightness, which means it's super effective during the day and night alike. It's also rechargeable, so you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries, and it's durable with an IPX6 waterproof rating. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it holds its position well and the versatility outweighs that initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional tool for your rifle. Skip this one if you prefer a laser sight with only a dedicated focus. For the price, the value is hard to beat. Now, if that slight mounting frustration bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sawlawfish 2-in-1 Mounted Laser Sight. Next, we have the Sawlawfish 2-in-1 Mounted Laser Sight priced at just $26.99. If you want something that holds zero well without all the fuss, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this laser is the magnetic charging feature. You don't have to remove it to charge, which means you can switch it on and off without worrying about re-zeroing. It's rated to be visible up to 1,000 feet at night and 100 feet during the day, so it's bright enough for nearly any environment. The shockproof design means it can handle a bit of rough use, and it's super low profile so it won't add bulk to your rifle. However, a few users mentioned that the instructions for zero adjustment were a little unclear. I'll be real with you, if you're not familiar with adjusting sights, this might be frustrating at first. But once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to maintain accuracy. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly sight that's easy to use and maintain. Skip this one if you're looking for something that offers more complex features. For its price point, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more robust setup. Product number 3. Votadu H3 LG Green Laser Sight. Now let's check out the Votadu H3 LG Green Laser Sight at around $39.99. If you're after something that can withstand heavy recoil and still perform, this is worth a serious look. Machined from high-strength aircraft aluminum, this sight is designed to take a beating. It has a power output of less or equal to 5 MW with a 520 nm wavelength, making it visible even in bright daylight up to 200 meters, and an impressive 2,000 meters at night. The magnetic USB charging is a breeze, ensuring you're never caught with a dead sight when you need it. Plus, its ambidextrous design makes it easy to use for both left and right-handed shooters. Now, some users reported that it might be a little heavier than they expected. Here's the thing, while it's definitely more substantial, the durability and performance you gain might well justify that extra weight for serious users. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent shooter looking for a durable and reliable option. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for casual use. Considering its features, it's a good value for what you get. Moving on, if the weight of the last product was a concern, this next one is designed to be super lightweight. Product number 4, Faigachi Reflex Sight with Green Laser. Coming up is the Faigachi Reflex Sight priced at $37.79. If you want an integrated sight that gives you both a reflex dot and a green laser, this is worth a serious look. This sight includes 4 reticle modes and a green laser sight with less than 5 MW output, making it versatile for a range of shooting conditions. The green laser enhances your aiming speed, which is fantastic whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro. It's made from high-quality aluminum, making it rugged and weatherproof, so you won't have to worry about it in adverse conditions. However, some users noted that the adjustment for zeroing can take a bit of finesse. Here's the thing, once you figure out how to adjust it properly, the accuracy is spot on and can be worth the initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional sight that's tough and easy to install. Skip this one if you're looking for something very compact. Overall, for the features, it's a solid deal. Now, if you're worried about bulk, this last product is incredibly compact. Product number 5, Sawfish Compact Laser Sight. Finally, we have another Sawfish Compact Laser Sight priced at $26.95. If you want a super low-profile design that won't get in your way, this is worth a serious look. This sight features a momentary strobe and steady mode, giving you flexibility in use. It's designed to be highly visible up to 100 feet during the day and even better at night, reaching about 1,000 feet. The ultra-low profile makes it easy to mount without interfering with other attachments. Plus, it's shock-proof, meaning it can handle rough handling and still maintain zero. Some complaints came in about the adjustment screws being a bit sensitive. I'll be real with you, if you're not gentle, it could mess with the threads, but as long as you're careful, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something compact and easy to install. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced features. For the price, it's an excellent value for beginners or those looking for a reliable backup sight. To wrap it up, we've looked at some great options today. The TOUGHSOUL combo for versatility, the Sawfish for budget-friendly ease, the Votatu for durability, the Fiachi for integrated features, and another Sawfish for compact simplicity. Each of these has its strengths depending on what you're looking for. Choose wisely based on your needs and happy shooting.